Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the right engine mount on Toyota Corolla 2 liters D4D. The right engine mount is located next to the serpentine belt. It's located just underneath those hoses. In order to get access to the engine mount, first we need to remove the injector control module and also the engine under tray. We'll start by removing the engine cover. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. First I'm going to get an elastic rope and move this hose to the side to have access to the engine mount. Then I'm going to go to the bottom of the car and remove the front right wheel and also the engine under tray. Next we need to remove the injector control module because it's on top of the engine mount, but before removing the control module, first I need to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Next I'm going to remove the injector control module. It's located right there. First we need to disconnect those two electrical connectors, and then there is two bolts holding the injector control module. And that's the injector control module out. Now I have access to the engine mount. That's the engine mount right there. The engine mount is held by a couple of bolts. We can see one bolt here, two bolts on each side, one bolt there and one on the other side. And then there is two bolts underneath that we need to remove. That's the bolt on the other side, and two bolts underneath that we need to remove. You can see those two bolts that I showed you with my finger. There we need to remove them from underneath, but before removing any bolts, first we need to hold the engine and putting a jack underneath the engine to hold it before removing the bolts for the engine mount. And now we're going to remove all the bolts holding the engine mount. There's also a small bolt holding one of the hoses to the engine mount. I'm going to remove that bolt as well. Now I'll show you a closer view of all the bolts that I removed. You can see I removed the bolts here on the engine mount, and also that bolt holding this hose. And that bolt is removed as well. Now I'm gonna go underneath the car and remove the other two bolts. I'll show you a closer view of those bolts. The bolts are located right there. They're actually not bolts, they're nuts. They're located right there. That's the two nuts holding the engine mount removed. Now I'm going to take out the engine mount. And that's the engine mount out. Now we're going to put the engine mount back on. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. First we're going to put the engine mount into its place, and then if it doesn't go into its exact position, then we need to bring the engine up or down just to make sure it goes into its position, and then we can put on the bolts and tighten them. We can see now the engine mount is into its position, so now we're going to put on the bolts and tighten all the bolts. Don't forget to put and tighten the two nuts that are on the bottom side of the engine mount. After you tighten all the bolts, then we're done with replacing the engine mount, and you can assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.